Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your NUBIA Z70 Ultra. To do it, go to the settings, then in the settings you need to just go to all the way down to system and update, then go to reset options, erase all data, factory reset, then erase all data, and now confirm your password that you have set for your phone, the one that you use to unlock it. Then click on erase all data, and now it will start erasing. It will take a moment and I'll get back to you after it's done. And now the phone is reset. As you can see, you can set it up as new. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.